Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm gonna show you something which is really of value to me. I want to introduce you deeper into the workings of agentic media systems. I want to show you how we managed to create a media creation system that is super effective and still super fun. We chose a certain technique for it, and it's a certain aesthetic. And we use it for fun channels, for example, on YouTube, but also for very serious channels or and applications for our clients, because it's great to share knowledge and to share insights and to share what's new, and yeah, it's very relatable. So I want to make this little introductions in three parts. The first part will be I show you a little video which we already see here by Professor Chibi, who is introducing our system. Then I'm going deeper in make.com and show you how these scripts are being built and how the video creation is being automated and how the thing is running. And then we're going to create a show together. And the example of Professor Chibi. And yeah, that's what I like a lot. Okay, so stop talking, Andy. Let's show the video where Professor Chibi is quickly showing how he is being created.
Hey friends, want to make amazing videos with no effort at all? Chimaira, the automated character-based video generator, is here to change the content game. Step 1. Let AI write a script for you, tweak it if you like. Next, Chimaira organizes your script into an easy-to-follow episode template. Then visuals appear automatically, like magic, ready for your story. Now, Chimaira brings your script to life with high-quality speech in any language. English, en français, Nihongo de, بالعربية, по-русски, and many more. And of course, Chimaira animates characters too, making them move and talk like pros. Finally, everything comes together. A polished video ready to share with the world.
Yes, thanks for enjoying this with me. And now we step over to make.com. Make is an automation platform that can be used for various types of connections and automations. And it also can be used to combine AI systems together as agentic systems. We use it for prototyping. So before we build something in real code, so in Java and Python, we prototype our systems in make.com. Also, we use N8N, but yeah, that's another story. Here I want to show you quickly how such a script is being written. This is here the Professor Chibi script agent. We enter a topic and let's choose a topic here. Let's say LinkedIn community building. And then I can give stage directions, like make it funny, make it serious, make it professional, make it whatever, safe. And what this system does here during I run it is the following. It does conducts a web research about the topic, about what's new, what's latest. Actually, I'm using Claude for writing, and Claude is being approached in various steps. First, we've got the script writer who is writing an actual script in 5 parts. Then we've got a producer. The producer is inspecting the whole script from the long row prompt here for each of these things you see. The producer is a practical trend-savvy YouTube producer who optimizes scripts for maximum audience engagement and blah blah blah. It's like a real producer, because you know quality is always built by teams, and so what I'm doing here is simulating a real life situation, video production team situation. Okay, then we've got an audience test. A diverse audience is being introduced here. We have a 13-year-old fan of anime games, a 16-year-old trivia enthusiast, a 30-year-old animated content fan. It's like a real audience test, and they return what they think about it. And then next will be the scriptwriter again, who is taking up these inputs, but of course he's very proud of his own work, so he doesn't take the inputs from director, producer, and audience too serious. And then the whole thing is being stored to G Drive. So let's run it. Take some time. So probably we're gonna fast forward. Okay, beautiful. It's done here already, and you see here in Google Drive where we store that things for prototyping purpose. We see the whole final script here. It's the final script, the first script, the producer feedback, strength of the current script, areas of improvement, and we see the revised script by the producer. We see key improvements he introduced, and also the audience response. They give ratings, they give feedback and wishes. And also we got the perplexity research results here. But this is gonna be the final script. Guess what? Making friends online isn't about collecting numbers. It's about creating real connections. What do you think about this? I think it's a great idea by Professor Chibi. So, okay, I copy this one and hand over to our actual production system. This is now a little preview version of it, and what I do here is enter the script. I just copied it over. It's in the form of JSON format, and yeah. So what is gonna happen here when I produce that? The JSON is gonna be diverted to variables. Then we gonna get here episode folders with a certain structure, where some certain After Effects files are being copied over. Then we running ChatGPT again to create the image prompt, because now its own system is there which knows how to write best kind of image prompts, and it's being connected with actual ChatGPT assistant, and we send it a message with the script, and we say find appropriate visuals and give some certain extra informations about the style and about the JSON structure that's gonna have to come back from it. Then the JSON is gonna be unpacked in variables and being sent to the automation system, Box Magic, our own system that's creating the meaningful and relatable animations. It's being stored. It's going to be connected with 11 labs, which creates the audio, and then we've got a video production system on its own, but it's located on a webhook. Gonna show it to you later. Okay, let's run this with our new show about LinkedIn connections. Yeah, it's already going. These parts here run pretty fast, and we don't have to wait for it. Okay, now here we see the webhooks have been activated 5 times, so it's gonna produce 5 images and 5 videos down here, and here it's gonna produce 5 audios plus animations. And here we see what's happening in the video production batch. We see here 5 parallel videos being produced and triggered via the webhook. It's being sent to Flux API with certain image prompts. Yeah, and here we see what's coming out. The prompt, image prompt is the input with variables about width, height, and quality stuff. And then we're gonna have the output. The output is basically the image generation call to Flux API. And here the image is being collected and saved to FTP, and then the image data is sent to Runway, where it's a video is being created out of it along with an image to video prompt, which is also created from the actual image and the prompt. So the image and prompt are analyzed to get an amazing and best possible image to video prompt alongside with the video, and to make the whole thing happen in the best possible way. And of course, we don't only have Runway. This is just the cheap version. There are other LLMs which do a much better job in creating videos, but they could cost like €1 per 5-second video. So yeah, it's not worth spending too much money on test subjects. Okay, then we have a look here in our folder. Here is our new episode folder already. It's being created, and here we've got the content. It's landing here. We've got the images, for example this one, images. It's amazing image stuff, isn't it? And the videos that are coming out of it. But YouTube doesn't show it to me here in the preview right now, because online Google Drive needs some time in order to play it. Okay, what's next? Now I've got all this content, and we have a certain automated After Effects system that's now pulling together all the content and automatically creates a episode out of it. But I show you this one another time. Of course, also subtitles and even publishing can be automated. Yeah, Okay, I hope I was able to help you a bit in understanding how agentic media systems might work. Yeah, and here we see a quick preview into what's happening here in After Effects, but it's fully automated again. It's yeah, also connected with ChatGPT and other systems that are creating this JSX system that is enabling this animation to be fully automated. But of course, at each point we have many points that enable us to have author control, enable even better results. But here, now it's time for preview Professor Chibi on LinkedIn connection. Professor Chibi on LinkedIn networking.
Guess what? Making friends online isn't about collecting numbers. It's about creating real connections. Every community starts with understanding what makes you special. What's your unique story waiting to be shared? Think of your online community like a cheese collection. Carefully curated, each piece carefully selected for its amazing flavor and quality. Pro tip: ask curious questions, share interesting stories, and always be authentically you. No robot conversations allowed. Remember, friends, building connections is like constructing the most awesome friendship fort in the digital playground.
Yeah, bravissimo, Professor Chibi. If you're thinking about creating something like that, just ever contact me. Me and my team will be happy to help and also to create content together with you. Yeah, enjoy your time, enjoy your day. Keep on cooking, keep on prompting. Have an amazing day. Thank you.